Hello, board members. My name is Ecuador Johnson, and I'll be presenting to you my district technology training plan. The purpose of the district technology training plan is to integrate technology into the classrooms throughout the district. Research has shown that technology integration into the curriculum will improve student learning processes and outcomes. Before we can get into the technology training plan, we must first conduct a needs analysis survey in order to gauge where teachers are currently with the current technology that's in their classroom. Challenges that we will face when integrating technology will be sufficient working devices in the classroom, implementing technology on a daily basis, aligning the technology to curriculum to make it meaningful and effective, connecting students with professionals in the field, and confidence around knowing that students are on task when using the technology. There are many opportunities that will come about from integrating technology into the classroom, such as revolutionizing the learning from being teacher-centered to more student-centered. Teachers will be able to use concepts such as project-based learning to allow students to become more creative in their learning and taking a role in the responsibility of things that they do. We'll be using the ISTE standards for coaches throughout this district technology training plan. These standards are the best for what we're trying to accomplish in implementing technology throughout the district. The 6 key points that we'll focus upon are visionary leadership, content knowledge, digital citizenship, professional development, digital age learning, teaching learning, and assessments. Professional development will take place in 2 ways. One way will be online, and the other will be face-to-face. In the online portion, teachers are able to access Google Classrooms, where they will be presented with information that they can use in regards to implementing technology. There will be videos, there will be articles, and much more. Face-to-face learning will have teachers come into the school building where they will meet with professionals around technology integration, educational specialists who will teach us how we can implement technology effectively and confidently. The budget will focus around 4 main parts: professional development, maintenance and support, materials and supplies, and other things such as the food and stipends. In total, we will be spending $9,350. In order to gauge how effective the training plan is, we'll be using formal and informal methods. Surveys through Google Forms after each PD will take place, observation of student test scores and data, walkthroughs and observations by school leaders and administrators, student surveys, and quarterly staff evaluations of personal progress. Thank you for listening, and I hope that you are on board with our district technology training plan.